Hello, my name is Mitesh Kimire, and I'm currently working as a cybersecurity intern at Unified Mentor. Today, I'm presenting my portfolio, my project, Window Service and Process Monitoring Agent. Uh, this is based on EDR system, EDR-style security tool designed to monitor, detect, and analyze suspicious activities on Windows system in real life. This is my GitHub repo. You can see this my GitHub repo. Uh, in modern system, attacker doesn't always use malware directly. They use PowerShell, command line tools, process injection, fake system process. These techniques are hard to detect manually, so I built uh, this tool to simulate how real endpoint detection and response system work. This is the demo dashboard of my tool. This I in my GitHub repo I highlighted key terms: real-time process and service monitoring, meta attack, map detection, baseline drift detection, automated threat response, SIM ready JSON login. We can see here this agent continuously monitor running process, parent-child relationship, service, execution path. Then it always behavior and classifies alert into malicious, suspicious, low risks. Each alert include risk score. This is the project structure. We can see. Okay, I will show the uh, example. I'm in my uh, GitHub. This is my project. Mm, this is a Python based. So by let us help here. Here in options, we can make a report in directory file. It can be in a JSON or TXT. It a signature verify authenticate signature. It can be slow. It will give the correct. This is my dashboard. Uh, we can see the live. Okay, now I'm uh, giving the watch. I'm running my Python code and my monitoring dashboard. It was 5 seconds and the dashboard. It takes some seconds. We can see this is the dashboard for tool. There is a mileage severity count bar, this alert summary, and the top alert by risk score can give me PID value, process, meter, so the low priority. Mm, uh, I make some trigger to show the how my dashboard actually running. I have make here in test file. This is the trigger test, just to show you how my dashboard is execute. When I click this, it's taking some time, seconds. After that, it is executed. Here is the malicious high blacklist payload. This is just a sample to showcase to you. As we can see, the system detects memory guys classified as malicious, score 95 to 100. This system is not just detection, it is optimized like a real EDR system. It includes false positive reduction, trusted application filtering, the duplication engine, confidence scoring, region code. After scanning, the system generate the uh, report. We can see here. We can see here is the JSON and text file. I'm in in my program in here. I'm giving the 5 second. Every 5 second, it scans automatically and generate the JSON file or TXT file. Uh, this can be used for incident response, threat analysis, and security training, learning also. Um, this project helped me understand Windows internal mm, process monitoring, threat decision detection logic, real world security workflow. This is a step toward my goal of becoming a purple team cybersecurity engineer. Uh, Thank you for a mentor, unified mentor, give us opportunity in future. I hope we will meet again. Thank you.